Welcome back to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel, and to this essential training series on the rules of the road. In this episode, we're diving into rule number 5, a vital part of the steering and sailing rules. This one's all about the lookout. What the rule says: every vessel shall at all times maintain a proper lookout by sight and hearing, as well as by all available means appropriate in the prevailing circumstances and conditions, so as to make a full appraisal of the situation and of the risk of collision. Let's break that down. At first glance, it may sound like a simple job. Just keep watch, right? But there's more to it. Rule 5 says, every vessel, from a cruise ship to a dinghy, must always maintain a proper lookout. This must be done at all times without exception. And it must involve sight to spot hazards, vessels, and navigational changes, hearing to detect sound signals, especially in low visibility, and all available means, including radar, AIS, and other onboard electronics. Your lookout needs to have a complete 360 degrees awareness around the vessel. Why is hearing mentioned specifically? Because you might hear a vessel before you see it, especially if it's emitting a distress signal or operating in restricted visibility. Later in this series, we'll go deeper into sound signals and what they mean. Use your tools. All available means just that. Use the radar if you've got one. Keep an eye on your AIS, ECS, or any other navigation tech on board. Don't rely on just one method. Combine them to form a full appraisal of the situation. If you're alone, you're it. Single-handed sailor on a small craft, you are the lookout. That means continuously scanning the horizon, turning to check behind you, listening carefully, and monitoring electronics. You must be proactive and thorough. Quick study tip. This rule is small but mighty. It's also heavily featured in exams. Write this in your notes. The lookout must be maintained at all times using sight, hearing, and all available means to assess risk of collision. Well done! That wraps up Rule 5. Look out! Short and sharp, but one of the most important rules you'll ever learn. Stick with us on the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel as we move on to Rule 6 in the next video. See you there, and keep that 360 degrees watch.